Hello crochet family, and welcome back to another Stitch of the Week video from Yarn Creations. I'm Crystal. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to do the extended double crochet. I just discovered this stitch. It is very simple, it's just an extra step when you're doing a double crochet, and it basically does exactly what it's described as. It's called an extended double crochet. So this one here is just doing your regular double crochet, and then this one here is with the extended. So you can see that the stitch is just a little bit longer than your regular double crochet here. So yeah, it just something different. It'll be a really quick video. It's just pretty straightforward. You're just doing a regular double crochet, except for there's just one extra step. So I am just going to quickly chain, because I think that out of the way. All right, gotta find my end here. So I'm just going to chain. I guess I'll do 13 maybe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe I'll do 14. And then 14. And then I am going to work into the second chain from the hook, starting with a double crochet. So you proceed like you normally would. I'll just start that again. We're gonna yarn over, and we're gonna insert our hook into the chain, and then we're gonna yarn over and we're gonna pull up a loop. So we now have 3 loops on our hook. So the next step is to yarn over, but we're only gonna pull through 1 loop, still having 3 loops on our hook. And then we're gonna yarn over again, and we're gonna go through 2. So this is kind of your basic double crochet now. And then we're going to yarn over and go through the last 2 loops. Okay, so I'll do that again into the next stitch. So yarn over, into the chain, yarn over, pull up. We now have 3 loops. I'm trying to stay in the frame here. And then we yarn over, but we only go through the first loop. And then we'll yarn over and finish our double crochet like we normally would. Okay, so I'm just going to do couple more stitches here, then I'll go back into explaining it one more time. And it's very easy to forget what you've done because you're so used to just going along and doing a regular double crochet. Yeah, so again, it just lengthens your double crochet a little bit. I mean, this would be good for, as dishcloths. It would probably work up a little bit faster too, just because the stitch is a little bit longer. But yeah, I just thought this was neat. Just another, extra little bit that you can do with a regular stitch. Okay, so I'll just do this one and then we'll talk about it again. So yeah, so to do the extended double crochet, we yarn over. We insert into the chain, yarn over, and we're going to pull through 1 loop, still leaving 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and then pull through 2 like we would with a normal double crochet. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you have heard of this before. Let me know if you've made something with the extended double crochet. This would probably be good if you're like making a basket. Probably look nice. So this yarn I'm using right here is from that big yarn lot. I was trying to say yarn and lot together. That I got on Facebook Marketplace a few weeks ago. It came on this spool. Alright, so just the last stitch, I'll go through it again. So we yarn over, we're going to insert into the chain, and then we yarn over, We have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over, pull through just 1 loop, and then we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And then I think the pattern that I was looking at, it has you do like a chain 3. I only do a chain 1 just because I like to have that tighter edge along the side. And then I just work into the next stitch at the bottom. And then you just keep doing the same steps. So it would also be kind of neat too if you did alternating rows of maybe just double crochet and then the extended double crochet. You'd be able to see the variation that it does there as well. But yeah, so this is the stitch of the week. It's a little late. It's been a very busy couple weeks for me with work and then with just getting the kids ready for school. I have them doing remote learning this year just to kind of see how things go. Yeah, I'm just not ready to get them back into school yet. But yeah, so that is our stitch of the week this week. I will probably post another one soon since I did kind of miss the last week there. So you'll probably get 2 stitches of the week. And then I'm hoping that I can work on a pattern tutorial as well this week. But I also have my giveaway contest. If you haven't seen that, it should be the first post on my page because I pinned it to the top. It will end on, I think I said the 15th. But I am doing the draw on the 17th, so you need to make sure that you're following me so that you'll get the alert that I am live to announce the winner. But you need to be present during the live show in order to get chosen for the giveaway. So it is a pocket shawl that I made, and I'm also giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. So yeah, so if you haven't entered into that contest, make sure you go in to my page and check that out. And I wish everyone good luck. It was really fun to make the shawl and to be able to have a chance to give it away to somebody. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, let me know if you've ever heard of the extended double crochet or if you have used it, and maybe post a picture of a project that you made with the extended double crochet. Anyways, take care everyone. I'll see you soon.